Today we're testing two wireless microphones from Tokdance that will make content creation much easier. There's the TDS9 premium model with a 3-in-1 wireless microphone system. It works great for any device from iPhones to Androids to cameras and even more. The TDS5 is a more budget-friendly model with USB-C support. It supports any device with a Type-C port and has USB-C pass-through so you can charge your device while the receiver is attached.
We're testing the Tokdance microphones, and we'll see how much range these actually have. So we have the one connected to my iPhone, and then we have one connected to my iPad. We're testing from 25 feet away. We're testing from 25 feet away. We're about 75 feet. Approximately 100 feet away. Approximately 100 feet. 125 feet. Okay.
Both mics work great within 50 to 75 feet. The TDS9 excels up to 150 feet, while the TDS5 is perfect for short-range USB-C devices. Get yours now in the TikTok shop below. Sound your best with the Tokdance wireless microphone.